we will see Planet First Environmental Science, 3rd Standard CBSE textbook. In this, we will see Unit 5, Food and Shelter, in that Chapter 11, Food from Plants and Animals. Unit 5, Chapter 11, Food from Plants and Animals. Let's dive in, warm up. Following are some common items eaten as food. Write A for the ones that are obtained from animals and P for the ones that are obtained from plants. Half fried eggs, it's A. Fruit salad, it's P. Bread, it is P. We eat healthy food as per our taste every day. Our breakfast, lunch and dinner includes a wide variety of dishes. Have you ever thought where the variety of food that you eat every day comes from? All our food comes from plants and animals. Food from plants. All the fruits, vegetables, food grains and spices that we eat are obtained from plants. In addition to this, we get sugar, tea, coffee, nuts and chocolate from plants. We obtain our food from different parts of a plant. Different parts of a plant that we eat: roots, that is carrot, radishes, beetroot, stem and underground stems, sugarcane, onion, potato, leaves, it is spinach, lettuce, coriander, seeds, mustard seeds, peas, wheat, fruits, oranges, bananas, grapes. How do we eat the food obtained from plants? The roots of the plants are often cooked in the form of curries. Carrots and radishes can also be eaten as a salad. We eat seeds of pomegranates and beans. We also eat various kinds of seeds such as moong, ahar, pigeon peas, split and skin, urd, black gram whole, etc. These are pulses or dal. We eat seeds of rice, wheat and maize. These seeds are called cereals. Coffee is made by crushing the seeds of a coffee plant. The seeds of some plants such as groundnut and mustard are crushed to extract oil, which is used as a cooking medium. The seeds of a plant such as black pepper, cardamom are used as spices. Spices are used to add flavors to the food. We get tea from the leaves of a tea plant. Assam is famous for its tea gardens. Lettuce leaves are used to make a salad. The leaves of a methi and tej patta are used as spices. Tea is made from leaves of a tea plant. We eat fruits such as oranges, bananas, grapes, melons, etc. Besides these, we also eat fruits of a plant such as brinjal, green chilli, tomato, capsicum, etc. These fruits are eaten as vegetables. You shall learn more about these in class 4. The fruits such as apples, pineapples, mangoes, etc. are used to make jams, shakes and squashes. Some fruits such as grapes and almonds are dried and eaten as dry fruits. We should eat fresh fruits and vegetables regularly. They help us in staying healthy and strong. Food from animals. Just like we obtain food from plants, we get many food items from animals as well. Animals from which we obtain food are milk. We get it from cow, buffalo and goat. Eggs, we get it from hen, duck and quail. Meat, we get it from fish, lobster, shrimp. Honey, we get it from honey bees. Hens and ducks also give us meat. Hen's meat is called as chicken. Similarly, we get mutton from the goat. We make cheese, curd, butter, cream and khoya from milk. In desert areas, camel milk is drunk by many people. Eggs are eaten in the form of omelets. They are also eaten half fried, boiled or in a form of a curry. Journey of our food. Have you ever wondered how the food we eat reaches us? The farmers grow plants to obtain vegetables, fruits, food grains, pulses, oilseeds, etc. Some people rear animals for their meat and milk. These products are then sold to wholesalers at the wholesale market. A wholesaler is someone who buys the farmer's produce in bulk. The wholesaler sells the farmer's produce to a shopkeeper. We then buy our food from a shopkeeper. Sometimes the wholesaler sells the farmer's produce to a factory that makes processed food. We buy this processed food in packaged form from the market. A farmer grows plants and rears animals for our food. The wholesaler buys the farmer's produce and takes it to the town. The wholesaler sells the farmer's produce to the shopkeeper. We buy our food from the shopkeeper. Regional food of India. Many kinds of dishes are made in our country. People from different parts of the country eat a variety of mouth-watering dishes. Indian food is known for its diversity all across the world. You will read more about the regional food of India in class 4. Let's read it summing up. Food we eat. Food from plants, roots, stem, leaves, seeds, fruits. Fruit from animals, milk, eggs, meat, honey. Journey of food, farmer, wholesaler, shopkeeper. Regional food of India, a variety of dishes. Exercises. Define the following: lacto-vegetarians, vegans, non-vegetarians, ovo-vegetarians. Match the animals given in the row 1 with the food they produce in row 2. Then match it. Cow, it is milk. Goat, it is mutton. Hen, it is egg. Honey bee for honey. Answer the following questions. Where do we get our food from? Where do we get tea from? Name any 2 leaves used as spices. Where do we get oil from? Following are some items we obtain from plants. Write L for leaves, F for fruits and S for seeds. Spinach, it is leaves. Wheat, it is seed. Methi leaves, it is leaves. Apple, it is fruit. Banana is a fruit. Rajma, it is a seed. Tick the correct option. We eat the leaves of spinach. Coffee is made with the seeds of a coffee plant. Hens and ducks gives us eggs. We get honey from honey bees. Yeah, this completes chapter 11. Thank you.